Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to fix your face unlock not working properly on Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite. Let's begin! So, there are a couple of reasons why your face unlock might be having an issues with actually detecting your face. The very first one is the camera itself. So, let's lock the screen and let's clean the front camera with some sort of microfiber cloth. You'll notice a lot of reflections now, that's very funny effect. I have very bright screen. Give me a moment. Okay, you should now see our logo or everything. Basically, you want to clean the front camera as much as you can, but without having too much pressure on it, because otherwise you might just break it. But of course, maybe you have already known that and it's not helping. So what you want to do then? Well, you want to simply head into the settings, enter lock screen, go into screen lock and biometrics, but first you must input your normal pattern and then enter face recognition. As you can see, we do have face recognition currently, and we have brighten screen on. This is very useful for having troubles with detection of your face, because this will brighten up your screen, which in result will brighten up your face, which in result will have a higher chance of success rate of your face recognition feature. However, if you want to improve it furthermore, we can go and add alternative appearance into our face. Or even better, we can go back. We can simply remove our face data and re-enter it once again, but it doesn't really matter, there's no need to do that. So instead I will go to add alternative appearance, and still something is very wrong with my camera. I'm so sorry for that. Okay, hopefully the camera is fixed now. Anyway, we should now be able to register our alternative appearance. So I will now pick up my tablet here, so my face is clearly visible by the camera lenses, and let's hit register. Now the most important thing is to just follow the advice, follow what they want you to do. So if they scream at you that your face is not exactly in frame, you want to position your face into the frame, which I know you guys can barely see, so I will try to move a little bit. Okay, this should help you. So now I am looking directly at the camera lenses. We want to position our face inside the frame. And let me try to move it. Okay, now we can see anything. So, as you can see, it screams that it's too dark. So we can go with retry, and I will now increase the simply brightness a little bit. And now we can head into register. And now we can register our face with much better lighting conditions. So I will pick up my face, as you can see it's right here, hello there, and I will look directly into the eyes. When the arrow appears, I want to tilt my head up, and now I want to tilt my head down, and as you can see, it's all that takes, really. As you can see now, we have our face recognition and we have alternative appearance. So with all of that, let me just lighten this up a little bit, we should have a fixed face unlock not working. Of course, you can always just remove your face data entirely and register it from the scratch with nice lighting conditions, without any kind of glasses, any kind of hats or anything. But anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.